Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In the last class, we discussed the very interesting and important chapter which is called as sets. And now we are going to start the second chapter of our syllabus, which is called as algebraic expressions and algebraic formula. Before starting the chapter, we will first study or we will recapitulate the previous knowledge, the knowledge which you got in class 7. So let us start or recapitulate our first topic. Here is recapitulation. Variable, constant, coefficient, expression, ascending order, and descending order. You have already understood the concept of these 6 topics in class 7 level. So we are going to start the first recapitulation topic, that is variable. The value which able to be changed. Here you can see there are 3 examples. First is 4x minus 3, where I will put x is equal to 1. Here x equal to 1. Then 4 will be multiplied by 1. It will become 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. The answer will be 1. In the same expression, if I will substitute x equal to 3, the answer will be different. And the third expression, if I will put x equal to minus 4, then the answer will be different. So the variable is an alphabet on which if I will substitute different values, it will show different answers. X is the variable because whenever I will put different values, the answer will also be different. Now the most important thing, in the daily life, the speed of a car varies with rush. When you will be trapped in rush, so the speed of car will definitely be varied. Sometimes it will increase and sometimes it will decrease. So if there is change in something, then it is called as variable. Constant. Constant is a value which does not change. Here 2x plus 7, 7 is constant. If I will put the value of x, whatever the value of x, but 7 and minus 9 will remain on their places. They will never be changed. So they will be called as constant in mathematics. In daily life, the speed of light is fixed. 1 lakh 86,282 miles per second. The value of pi, you all are very much familiar with this symbol pi. And when you will reach to class 9, you will study this gravitational constant, which belongs to a very interesting chapter, gravitation. Coefficient. Any number which is multiplied by variable, it is called as coefficient. So 2 is the coefficient of x. It is very important that x will be a variable. Then we will call it as 2 as a coefficient. In the next example, 5 will be multiplied by x. It is very important for a number or anything to be multiplied by a variable. Here there are 2 variables, minus 2 and 3 are the coefficients of x and 3 is the coefficient of y. And it is once again very important that x and y must be variable. Expression. If we will subtract, add, multiply, divide, or whatever we will write in multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division, then actually we are studying expression. It is also called as algebraic expression. इसको यूं समझिए कि जब आप किसी चीज को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, माइनस कर रहे हो, प्लस कर रहे हो, मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, डिवाइड कर रहे हो, किस चीज की पावर लिखी हो, कोई अपॉन में लिखा हो, बस प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड लिखा हो, तो आप समझ जाएं कि आप एक्सप्रेशन या अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन स्टडी कर रहे हैं. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. जब भी ऐसा कोई एक्सप्रेशन लिखा हुआ हो, एक्सप्रेशन मतलब जिसमें प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड नजर आ रहा हो, सारे भी हो सकते हैं लेकिन प्लस माइनस खाली भी हो सकता है, खाली प्लस या माइनस भी हो सकता है. अब आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि x की पावर पहले 1 आई, फिर 2 आई, फिर 3 आई, फिर 9 आई. आपको सिर्फ x की पावर को देखना है. x की पावर 1, x की पावर 2, x की पावर 3, x की पावर 9। तो पावर को देखते हुए देखें तो छोटे से बड़े पावर की तरफ जा रहा है, और आप ये हर एग्जांपल में देख सकते हैं। इसमें आपको वो नहीं देखना है कि x के साथ नंबर कौन सा लिखा हुआ है, आपको ये देखना है कि x के ऊपर यहां देखिए कोई पावर नहीं लिखी तो 1 है, याद रखिए, 1 लगा दीजिए। 1 2 3 4 and 9। So that means if you will arrange the power of the variable from lower to higher, it will be called as ascending order. The arrangement of power from lower to higher is called ascending order. Descending order is the reverse of ascending order. In this case, you will always arrange the power of variable from higher to lower. You can see 4 2 1 and then constant, then -6 -5 2 -1. So you can see that the powers are arranged from higher to lower. In ascending order, the powers will always be arranged from lower to higher. In ascending order, the power of the variable. And in descending order, the power will always be arranged in descending order from higher to lower. And thanks for watching the video. One most important thing, as you all are at home, you need to do regular practice at home. It was recapitulation. So if you want to do practice, you need to take out class 7th level book or the lectures which were discussed in class 7 and do the practice. As I was your teacher in class 7C, as now I am your teacher also in class 8C. So I have taught you the concept of these 6 to 7 topics. All you need is to do the regular practice by taking your book of class 7 and the lectures on your copy of class 7. Hopefully you have understood the concept, and inshallah in the next class we will start with the fresh topic or the chapter in a regular way. Take a good care of yourself and your family members. Thanking you. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.